Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use PayPal with Citi Double Cash Card step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the PayPal website. Log into your PayPal account using your email and password. If you don't have an account, click on Sign Up to create one. Once logged in, find the Wallet option in the top menu and click on it. In the Wallet section, click on Link a new account or link a card. Select Link a credit or debit card from the options provided. Fill in your Citi Double Cash Card details, including card number, expiration date, and CVV. Make sure to enter the billing address associated with the Citi card. Click on Link Card to save your Citi Double Cash Card to your PayPal account. You may be asked to verify your card through a small temporary charge. Check your email or PayPal notification for the verification code. Once you have the code, return to your PayPal account. Navigate to the Wallet section again to enter the verification code. After verifying your Citi Double Cash Card, it will be added to your PayPal account. Now, you can use your Citi Double Cash Card to make payments through PayPal. When making a purchase, select PayPal as your payment option at checkout. Log into your PayPal account if prompted. Choose your linked Citi Double Cash Card as the payment method. Complete the transaction and review the payment details before confirming. You can also set your Citi Double Cash Card as your preferred payment method in your PayPal settings. This way, it will automatically be selected for future transactions. Keep track of your purchases to ensure you maximize your cashback rewards. Now you can enjoy the benefits of using your Citi Double Cash Card with PayPal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.